Hi there, everybody. This is Nina Bosky, and this is your power word of the week. Receive. Oh my gosh, this is such a great topic, especially for you overgivers. So the first tip I'm going to give you, and you're going to have to work with this one this week, especially if you are one of those people that like to overgive or you find yourself overgiving and then you're exhausted. The first thing I'd like you to do is do what I call micro receiving. So in little small doses, you're going to learn how to receive until your nervous system can accept it. Because a lot of times for people that do not really know how to receive, and believe me, I've been there and done that, the best thing you can do is do it in small doses, and when your body can relax into it, you expand a little more, expand a little more, expand a little more. That's what I mean by micro receiving. The second one, and this is a big one, you do not have to overgive to be worthy. Output doesn't equate to worth. Yes. So how about if input also gave you a sense of worth this week? So if you're an overgiver, what I'd like you to do is start saying, I am worthy to receive. I am worthy to receive, so that output isn't equating so much to your worth. And then the third one, and I think this is a really important one, stop thinking that I owe you. If I receive something from you, I don't automatically have to give you something. How about practicing just receiving for the sake of receiving, and that you don't owe anybody anything? That's the power of receiving. Try those 3 tips on this week and see how you feel the power to receive. That's your power word of the week. I'm Nina Bosky, and until next time, remember to take a bite out of life before life takes a bite out of you.